Walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like.
Yes, I've been hearing great things about this place. I'm gonna go ahead and invest. I'm finna go ahead and buy some Babyliss. I'm gonna give y'all a review. But I'm in my truck today. I'm gonna go ahead and lock her up. Lock my big boy up. Here we are. We're over here by the TCU area. Been hearing great things about this store. Before I go in, everybody else came, but it's time for me to come here and spend a couple dollars. So I'm gonna give y'all a view and a walk around and everything. Let's see what we can find. Oh, it's locked today. Damn, I thought they were gonna be open today. Guess not. So that was on a Monday after the Connecticut Hair Show. They had a situation that had occurred, so they wasn't able to open. But like any other thing, I don't give up. I'm persistent. I had to get up in this spot, see what was going on in here. So if you're a barber in the Fort Worth area and you need supplies, if you're in Arlington, Grand Prairie, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other shops and different other stores that provide barber supplies. But this was really clean, organized, and they have the latest, the greatest, and the newest supplies, even things I never heard of, and tools. So I'm definitely going to be back.
Talking like, moving like, ooh, bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof, smoking like, drinking like, bombing out the booth, walk like, talk like, move like, juice, walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh, bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof, hopping out the roof.
The black belly shaver.
You want to say something about your brand? I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel. It's my first time here. You want to say anything about?
Come see us, Fort Worth Barber Shop. We're family barbers. We have barbershops as well. We live the life you do. Come see us.
Yes,
we don't have something you want, we'll look for it. Come on
That's
down.
all I want today. I want to do those black Babyliss, those black edges, the black ones. No, the edges. Is that them? The newest ones with the one with the black blades on them.
No. So which color?
Yeah, it's them. The one right there in the middle, the low cut it.
And it's that's the
Yes, ma'am.
And I need to separate this so that we're not free paper.
There you go. Thank you.
Got me looking like I'm out of body from this Magdalena. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get it back. Trying to get the back of women popping out the show. And I only act that women putting on the show. Looking at the product and
What's good, subscribers and non-subscribers? I'm hoping that y'all enjoying the content. I'm keeping it lit on the channel. But I'm excited to actually buy these new clippers, these edgers. As you can see, Los Cut It, one of the legendary barbers out of Chicago. They blessed his face on this box. I'm knowing that this is a quality product because he probably wouldn't sign off if it wasn't. But what we have is the equivalent with the GTX. And these clippers will be where it has a deep tooth. This is called the Black DLC Diamond Light Carbon Deep Tooth 2.0 T-Blade. And it has a zero gap tool included. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I bought these from the Fort Worth Barber Supply. Shout out to Ed and his wife. They're a good team. Quality products, good price. These are a little bit more than what I wanted to pay, but I know this is going to be worth it. Really crisp lines. I'm needing a shade, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try to zero gap these, and I'm going to hit myself with a shade. I want y'all to stay tuned, and I'm going to go ahead and get to it. Y'all tell me what y'all like about the clipper, hopefully y'all can learn something from this video. Stay tuned.
walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like a.
So it came with this extra little piece. It has a bag. Inside this bag, it has a mini screwdriver, some oil, and a zero gap Oh no, just a blade cover. And a blade cover. I look like to zero gap it though. It's already there, honestly. I may just need to just adjust it a little bit more. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hit myself with a shave, and we're gonna see how they really perform. So now these fresh out the box. You see me? I'm making room in my station. Getting rid of some old clippers that are obsolete. Being that I have these legendary gray Andes. I've been using these ever since I was a kid. Like these, I've been cutting hair so long that they actually changed the design of them. The cord, the switch used to be just this. Then it came out the ergonomical switch. And after that, I feel like the production of that clipper went down. That's my personal opinion, but we've been cutting hair since I was 13 years old. I'm currently 35 years old, so I'm seeing a lot of change in the business. But these things right here, just feeling the grip. I mean, they came out the box ready to go. The motor is strong. It's cooling. Instead of having to cut a skeleton, they already came and designed it. And I like it because you can see more where the blade is landing at. It came with the red option. I could put the black one on there. I'm loving this grip. I'm gonna say that's probably one of my favorite features as of right now. And the actual how the blade is way more smoother. They told me that these not really good for balding. They prefer that I just use them for edging. And the silver ones they said are better. But I'm still being cheap, and that's gonna be the main purpose of these. I just replaced the blades on my GTXs. But after comparing these two, these don't compare. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I can do on my own self. So comb it out, and I'm just gonna hit it really quick. I'm gonna see how I do on these sensitive areas, and I'm gonna test it out on my arm first before I put it straight on my face just to see. Okay. All right. Let's see. Just like this. Okay, no, that's good. It's shaving it pretty good. Let's see on the sensitive areas though what it do. You know, you want to test it up in here on that soft spot. You know, no whips. The blade is flush. Let's give it a try.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the booth. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out hopping out the evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about the water, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with them bloods, I was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, where's luxury, have you seen them? Got me looking like I'm out about it, fun as my demeanor. Here at the location and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get a beamer. Trying to get the back of women popping out the show. And I only act that woman putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better play me like I'm Kirk, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole.
Rich, you want to hit the back line for me? Just right here in the back of the beard for me. I'm gonna let Rich go ahead and hit me with a quick little line. We're gonna see how they really do. We're gonna do it side by side. I'm gonna show you on one side and then we'll hit it on the other side. We got the young gun with us, man. Got my man Rich with me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Shout out
you know.
to social media, how they can find your Instagram.
Call me Richie the Barber, CO on Instagram and on Twitter.
Yes, sir. Yeah, there it is, man. Let's see what we can do, man. Let me do a side-by-side comparison. I ain't hit that back line. I need to hit the back line on both sides if possible, man. To see how these edges size up, man.
This grip is real nice on them.
The silver ones don't have the grip on.
But these are the newer ones.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Biggest like, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like.
Man, I need you to get me right, man. Somebody mama might want to be out meeting tonight, man. You know what I'm talking about?
The way the skeleton on these is nice too, so you can see everything.
Yeah. You put exactly where you want
What's
it.
the back line too? Is what you're talking about, or are you talking about?
This on this part right here, because Franco gonna probably taper me out later this week. So if you can hit this side right here on this one, on that back side right here. So I'll be having a hard time. I'll be messing it up. Appreciate you, Reach, being a part of the video, man.
They don't feel like they bite or nothing.
I say no discomfort, man.
Now I know the Babyliss there's an app too, and they let you like basically like customize how you want your clippers or your trimmers. But I don't know. I don't think they got the new blades or the new.
My thing is though, it'd be pointless to customize these though, you know. I'm still on the fence with the clippers.
I don't like the clippers.
You don't like them?
They don't feel.
I've been a fast feed guy, man.
Check it out.
Here we go. So y'all see how smooth this side is, and y'all see how dirty and gritty, and it's probably like 2 days of not being shaved. Thank you, Rich. Appreciate you, man. Y'all check out my man on Instagram, Twitter. What do you say, Rich the Barber? Richie the Barber, CEO. Yes, sir. Thank you, man. So I'm finna get back to doing the rest of the shave. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse, but y'all stay tuned.
Talk about it way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, waist luxury, how you seen them? Got me looking like everybody fun, it's my demeanor. Here at the location, and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm trying to get the beamer. Trying to get the bag of women popping out the show. And I only act that woman putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pin it like I'm whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, I don't know. Sneaking in the building, and I'm coming out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple pillows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hit.